Look at this, you guys. I am so sorry that I did not show you guys this recipe of my mac and cheese in this little Dutch oven style pot baked mac and cheese. I got my own way of making mine. I wish I would have showed you guys step by step, but you know what? That's okay. You guys see this video. If you like what you see, please like, share, and please leave a comment. Okay, I thank you guys for watching this little video. This is my finished dish of mac and cheese our way. This is the wise woman way in the kitchen once again. Okay, you guys. Love that mac and cheese. Got the little edges with a little burn around it. That's the way Mama taught me how to do it. So, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Ashe.